$100.
We can call for support if that's what y'all want to do.
No, look.
Because that is still not.
No. Listen, here. I don't want to get you.
They let me ride it.
Yeah, I did. Well, I don't want to get you in trouble. I just want it back. That's it. I don't want you to get in trouble or anything. I know you didn't mean to steal, but like I just want.
Did you let somebody else ride it?
Yeah.
Who?
No, just you. Nobody else
I don't
rode
care.
it.
Call the cops.
I mean, I don't want you to get arrested or anything. I just want the thing back. That's it. I'm not mad or anything. Okay, Steve.
Is it in the back of that car right there?
Huh?
Is it in the back of that car right there?
Right here?
No. I clearly that silver car? Is it in there?
You just said you parked it over there. How the hell is it over here? When
All the shit on video, dude. I'm getting all this shit on video.
He's leaning forward when it's on.
I think you gotta unlock it. Back in there at all?
I don't think it's in
Right one.
Yeah, I don't think it's down there. You know.
Back there.
Maybe it's back here. Maybe it's back here. It's not opening.
I got drunk before too.
Wait a minute.
I remember when I had my first beer.
I remember when
Is it back there? It is?
It should be. Come on,
That's all right. I can just look from here.
Hop the fence and look right there. Come on, hurry up.
Here.
Gotta go to work.
I'll look from over here.
Wrong side of the fence, dude. Steve, you know where to go. Steve, it's over there.
It is? Steven, is it over there? Can you go see if it's over there? Let's go see if the mini bike's over on the other side of the shed.
No, trying to say.
Yeah. Me? Yeah. Alright, thanks.
Alright,
He's like trash.
I know, I'll find it for you.
You-
Tony, come on, man, let's go inside.
Alright, thanks.